What's up, hungry people? Today, we are making summer sweet corn salsa. It's the perfect blend of sweet and spicy. Using a mix of fresh and canned ingredients, this corn salsa is ready in just minutes. Here's a little preview of the ingredients that you'll need. Start with boiled sweet corn and then add in drained black beans, diced canned tomatoes, white sweet onion, diced canned chilies, fresh red peppers, fresh jalapenos, minced garlic, and some fresh cilantro or parsley, and a splash of apple cider vinegar and lime juice. Then give it a generous cracking of sea salt and fresh peppercorns. Stir the salsa together and then let it chill for about an hour or two to really start developing those flavors. I let mine chill overnight to get the most optimal flavor out of the salsa prior to serving. Our sweet corn season will probably be a little bit shorter than usual due to all the flooding in Northeast Ohio's farmlands. If you're gonna buy sweet corn, I recommend getting it from your local farmer's market or fruit stand. Nothing beats locally sourced sweet corn. We ate our salsa the first night with tortilla chips, and then a few days later to use the rest up, I used the salsa as a bed for some chipotle cheddar stuffed chicken breasts. It was super easy to make too. Just spread out the corn in an even layer in a glass baking dish. I then stuffed the chicken breast with shredded chipotle cheddar cheese and pressed them gently into the salsa before baking the dish at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for about 30 minutes. The corn salsa really roasts up nicely, making it not only the perfect salsa, but also the perfect side dish in its roasted form. Thanks for stopping by my kitchen today. I hope you're hungry. If you want to help support my channel, feel free to check out the Teespring link in the description for some Starving Chef merch. Every little bit of your support helps a small creator achieve her dreams. Don't forget to flip that sub button and ring the bell to be notified of my latest recipes and foodie adventures that I post every week. I hope you all enjoyed, and I'll talk to you soon.